My name is Artem Matyushok, and I'm heading the M&A department at Rosneft, so one of the leading companies in Russia. So we produce 5 million tons per day, 5 million barrels per day of oil and nearly 70 BCM of gas. We're becoming more and more active in Asia, so especially sort of the last several years when we've done several deals in Asia Pacific. And also with partners from Asian countries with sort of inbound investments into Russia. So as an example, we've done several investments into upstream businesses in Russia, where we've invited strategic partners from China and India. We are also actively working with some other Asian countries, including Thailand and Malaysia. And we are investing quite a bit right now into Indonesia, into the downstream Tuban refinery, where we hope to actually build, a full-fledged refinery in the coming years. Obviously, we're quite long represented in Sakhalin Island, so we are running the Sakhalin 1 project together with the Japanese and Indian partners. So that's been quite a success for us all, and we are finishing the oil phase, or it will be very soon when that the oil project will be actually start to decline, and we'll be ranking our gas production from there. So this, hopefully there is going to be a bit more gas produced for the Asian market. Look, I think it's really a great platform to really link into to the industry experts. It's really also the right level to actually do the business development. It definitely has its right. Obviously the Sarah Wick in Houston is more like a CEO type discussions, while these platforms being in Singapore or London or elsewhere, it is more for business developers to try to actually sort of do real deals and obviously make that way the contribution to their respective companies.